Camera remote controls are essential tools for photographers who want to capture the perfect shot without having to physically touch their camera. There are many products available to choose camera remote controls, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camera remote controls from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Camera Remote Control Wireless Shutter for Canon EOS RP. The AO-DLN Camera Remote Control Wireless Shutter is compatible with a wide range of Canon, Fujifilm, Hasselblad, Olympus, Pentax, and Samsung cameras. It offers both wireless and wired modes, with a transmission distance of up to 80 meters. The receiver also functions as a wired remote, while the transmitter operates on a CR2032 battery. The remote supports autofocus, single shot, time-lapse, continuous shooting, and bulb functions, making it ideal for capturing a range of shots without touching the camera. Number 2. 2-pack wireless camera remote control. Take pictures and videos with ease using the ScoutAG wireless camera remote control. The lightweight and small remote can be used with all iPhone, iPad, iPod, iOS 6.0 Plus, and most Android phones, 4.2.2 Plus, and tablets. With a wireless range of up to 30 feet, 10 meters, you can control your camera from a distance. The remote only needs to be paired once, and it will automatically be recognized the next time you use it. If you're having trouble taking photos, simply change your mobile phone settings to use the volume key instead of the shutter key. Additionally, the remote will enter sleep mode after 3 minutes of inactivity to save power. Number 3. Upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 Remote Shutter. Upgrade your selfie game with the Azup AB Shutter 3 Bluetooth Camera Remote Control. With the latest Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology chip, ultra-long control range of 50 feet/15 m, and zero delay shutter, you can easily capture HD photos and videos without the need for time-lapse shooting or asking strangers to help take pictures. The compact and portable design, longer use time with up to half a year of normal daily use, and convenient combinable and detachable lanyard make it perfect for travel or daily use. Compatible with all iPhone, iPad, iPod, iOS 5.0 Plus, and most Android phones, 4.3 Plus, it is your perfect selfie essential. Number 4. Camera Remote Shutter Release Wireless. This camera remote shutter release wireless is compatible with a wide range of Canon models and Pentax cameras. It works at 2.4 GHz frequency and offers 16 available channels to reduce camera shake and capture distant subjects. The transmitter can trigger the receiver without a direct line of sight up to 50 m/164 foot. The unit includes 3 parts, runs on AAA batteries, and features 5 shooting modes: single shot, 5 seconds delay shot, 3 continuous shots, unlimited continuous shots, and bulb shot. It also includes a 1/4/20 tripod socket on the receiver for easy mounting. Number 5. Kindle Paperwhite Oasis Kobo e-readers. The Datify page turner enhances your reading experience by allowing you to flip pages effortlessly without touching your device's screen. This handy remote works with various e-readers, making it perfect for late-night reading since it features a mute button. You won't need Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, as it easily clips onto your device, letting you turn pages with just a button press. Plus, the Type-C charging ensures long battery life, so you won't have to worry about frequent recharging. Enjoy a seamless reading experience with this convenient tool.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.